In this video, we will show you how to draw beautiful sunrise scene in Microsoft Paint. If you are looking to put your digital art skills to use, this tutorial will guide you through creating a beautiful sunrise landscape using simple tools in MS Paint. So let's start the video. Select the line and drag it like this 5 times. Using the Fill with Color tool, select different colors from the color palette and fill different areas with color. After that, go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Accept Ratio, remove the size using Ctrl X and put one there. Then click OK. Again go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Accept Ratio and paste the first number again, then click OK. This will create a gradient color here. I made this gradient sun in a previous video. There is a link to that video in the description box. Go check it out. Copy it and paste here. Click on select transparent selection. Use brush tool, also change the color. Create tree and leaves. Let us also create birds and beautiful mountains. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.